Hello, Trinidad music students. I hope you are all doing well. Mr. Duran here. I'm doing pretty okay. I wanted to show you exactly how to access everything we need for our classes. Okay, so make sure that you are watching and paying close attention, all right? So, as you know, this right here is where all of your classes are. This is your dashboard. Okay, that shows all of your classes, all right? So I like band, but this is going to be for all of the different music classes. So I'm going to click on whichever class I am, and I'm in the TMS band, all right? Okay, over here on the side are channels. That's what they are called, okay? There is a general channel, okay? And here is where I will be posting general announcements, okay? Like when I couldn't get the attendance to work, I post it there. I'm posting announcements, good morning, all that stuff. That'll be where announcements are. I will also be posting in the general channel talking about students who have missing assignments, okay? And those will have um, your lunch number, okay? I'll just list lunch numbers that have missing assignments, all right? That's in the general channel. Then we have an assignments channel that you'll click on. All of your assignments are posted there in order that they have appeared. Okay, you just click on view assignment. All right, and it'll pop up here. Make sure you read the directions carefully. All right, if you want it to read for you, you can click on this little speaker and it'll read it to you. All right, which is pretty cool. Next, we have the attendance channel. This is where you need to go every day and click on here and submit your vote so I get your attendance for the day. All right, if I don't get that, between 8 a.m. and midnight, you will be counted absent, all right? So make sure you fill that out. Then we have our live video sessions, okay? This is where you will always go. They happen every Friday, okay, at whatever class time you have. The TMS band is at 1 o'clock, okay? The choir is at noon, and the beginning band is at 2, okay? So you will click here and it'll have a button that says join. It doesn't say join right now because right now we're not meeting, okay? It's 11:21 in the morning right now, so it won't say join right now, okay? So those are the channels, okay? When I go back to the general channel, here at the top, okay, are called tabs. These tabs are pretty cool, okay? We have files, class notebook. Your assignments tab is where you'll see all of your assignments, and it'll have turn in right here, and it'll tell you which ones you've turned in, okay? Grades, which I won't be using here, just go to Infinite Campus for your grades like normal, okay? And then for your assignments, okay, if I tell you to go to the virtual classroom, okay, that's going to be right here called Duran's Virtual Classroom. You will click on here, all right? It'll bring you to this page. This is our classroom for virtual. It has some music playing. You can pause it, all right? This tells you everything you need to know. This has our schedule for all music classes, okay? And what's really cool is that it's interactive. Okay, so you can click on things and it can take you places. So coming up, we have our rally back to school. I click OK, and it'll pop up with this right here. Okay, let me pause the music here. Let me bring that back. Hold on. Okay, it'll pop up on your screen. It'll tell you all about rally back to school. Okay, or if I clicked on the poster here, okay, it'll pop up different places for extra help if you need it, okay? So that's that. And then to log into U Theory, you will come to the virtual classroom and you will click on the green button here. You will click OK, and it'll pop up a window to log in, or if you're already logged in, it'll bring you to U Theory. I'm already logged in, okay? So that's how you access U Theory. If you want to know our standards, you can click on that music poster, okay, and it'll pop up with our standards, okay, on what we're doing in music class. All right. Throughout the weeks, there's going to be different things on here that you can click on. Okay, I will tell you if there's a certain place you need to click to go to somewhere for an assignment. Okay, and that's for any class. Okay, we have our minor sign, we have me. So this is our virtual classroom. Okay, with U Theory, I am doing a competition for the top 3 U Theory points for all classes. Okay, and I have created a tab right here called the U Theory Leaderboard. If you click on that, okay, it'll bring you to this room where we have the choir leaderboard, the TMS band leaderboard, and the beginning band leaderboard. Okay, every time you complete an assignment and a lesson or skill in U Theory, you get points. Okay, the better you do at your U Theory lessons and skills, the more points you get. So don't just go through them willy-nilly. You won't get a lot of points. All right? Do the best you can. Read very carefully. Make sure you're watching the videos on U Theory and doing the skills to the best of your ability. All right? And if you do that, you'll get more points. The top 3 will be getting a prize. Okay? I'm not going to tell you what it is, but it's going to be pretty cool. All right, so make sure you're going on and do that. So I will update this leaderboard every Friday with new scores. Okay, every Friday. So if it's Monday and you get more points, okay, you're still going to do assignments throughout the week. So on Friday, when we're done and they're due, okay, I will update with the points. All right, so that's how that will be working. Those are all up here under the tabs. See right here it says one more. That's going to be Duran's virtual classroom. Okay, there's just not room to put them all. All right, so that is navigating our virtual spaces. All right, if you are able to access all of that, you are going to be good to go. When you're doing an assignment, make sure you're reading the directions carefully. All right. Make sure you follow the correct links and watch any videos that you need to watch. Okay? Always reach out to me if you have any questions, and I will help you as best as I can. Thank you guys. Take care.